Hello everyone! Today we are proud to unveil the brand new iPhone 17 lineup, the most advanced family of iPhones Apple has ever created. This year, innovation reaches new heights with 4 incredible models: iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Plus, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max. Each one is designed to deliver breakthrough performance, stunning visuals, and intelligent experiences that redefine what a smartphone can be. The iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Plus bring a fresh design with slimmer bezels, new durable materials, and an even brighter Super Retina XDR display. With enhanced battery life and faster 5G connectivity, they make everyday tasks smoother and more enjoyable. The new A17 chip inside ensures speed, efficiency, and reliability for everything you do, from gaming and streaming to multitasking and productivity. For those who want the ultimate power, the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max are built with aerospace-grade titanium and feature the groundbreaking A19 Pro chip, the fastest and most energy-efficient processor ever in a smartphone. These models deliver console-level gaming performance, pro-grade camera systems, and next-generation AI capabilities, giving creators, gamers, and professionals unmatched tools to bring their ideas to life. The camera systems across the lineup have been re-engineered to capture breathtaking photos and videos in any lighting condition. With larger sensors, advanced computational photography, and the new Smart HDR6, your memories will look more lifelike than ever. On the Pro models, the upgraded telephoto and ultra-wide lenses offer incredible flexibility, while cinematic mode and ProRes video recording take storytelling to a whole new level. Apple has also introduced new features powered by Apple Intelligence, making iPhone 17 smarter and more helpful. From real-time language translation to enhanced on-device Siri, your iPhone is more intuitive, personal, and private. And with iOS 19, you get powerful customization, security, and productivity features right out of the box. Battery performance has been optimized across all models, with faster wireless charging, improved efficiency, and better thermal management. The iPhone 17 lineup also continues Apple's commitment to the environment by using more recycled materials than ever before, while reducing its carbon footprint. With its unmatched blend of design, performance, and intelligence, the iPhone 17 family is not just the next generation of smartphones, it's a bold step into the future. No matter which model you choose, you're holding Apple's most advanced technology in the palm of your hand.